Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ground fault testing for EV charging equipment, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary tools and equipment. Ensure you have a multimeter, ground fault circuit interrupter tester, and any other testing tools required for your specific setup. Familiarize yourself with the electric vehicle charging equipment you will be testing. Read through the manufacturer's installation and safety guidelines. Identify the circuit that powers the EV charging station. Turn off the power to the circuit at the main electrical panel. Double-check that the power is off using your multimeter. Ensure that the area around the charging equipment is clear of obstructions. Connect the multimeter to the circuit to measure voltage. Ensure the voltage reading is within the acceptable range specified by the manufacturer. Next, connect the ground fault circuit interrupter tester to the charging station. Select the appropriate test setting on the tester. Press the test button on the ground fault circuit interrupter tester. Observe whether the GFCI trips, indicating a ground fault. If the GFCI does not trip, troubleshoot the circuit for potential issues. Check all connections for tightness and inspect for any damage. After verifying the circuit is functioning properly, reset the GFCI if it has tripped. Reconnect the electric vehicle charging equipment according to the manufacturer's specifications. Restore power to the circuit at the main panel. Conduct a final visual inspection of the installation and connections. Double-check that all coverings and safety features are secure. Perform a final test with the multimeter to ensure the circuit is live and functioning as expected. Document the test results for future reference. Ensure all tools are removed from the site and the area is safe for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.